Four phases of criminal investigation. Number one, the identification of criminal. So how can you identify the criminal? So the investigator, the intelligence shall conduct identity check, fingerprint, uh, neighbor informants check, witness, identification, school records, employment check, residence, and background check. So, validity ID check. Example, number, serial number of ID, TIN, serial number, any number. Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, SS, TIN, any serial number. So, you can track the suspect's identity. So, within the neighbor, informants, relatives, identification of criminal. So, this is a 4 phases of criminal investigation. So, I will give the example. How can you identify the criminal? So, first, the identification of criminal. Next, the criminal is traced and located. The criminal is traced. So, the phases of criminal investigation is trace. The purpose is to trace and locate and arrest the criminal. Arrest to entrapment operation. So, surprise attack, surprise raid. When the intelligence receive information and uh, conduct a surveillance or conduct a entrapment, surveillance, entrapment, and conduct an instrumentation. For example, drug by bus. So, the intel by drugs, covert operations, for surveillance of the subject and by drugs, and conduct by bus, and the reaction arrest, example, interdiction division, raid the following subject, and the drugs go to laboratory to examine by the forensic examiner to confirm that the following evidence is drugs, to confirm that the raid is successful and the suspect is positive in possession of illegal drugs. So that is the trace located by the informants, so, and arrested by the intelligence. So that is a 4 phases of criminal investigation. First, the criminal is traced and located. Example, first, the identification of criminal. So if you identify, you trace and locate and arrest. So in arrest, uh, we have a Miranda doctrine: right to inform, right to remain silent, right to have the power of attorney, right to so what's Miranda doctrine? So any person under custodial investigation has the right to remain silent. Anything that he says uh, can will be used against him in court of law. So has the right to have an attorney. So the Miranda doctrine, the right of the suspect. So next, how can you arrest a person? So first, arrest with probable cause. So with probable cause, we have a reasonable ground to believe that the person violating the under the revised penal code, violating the crime. So next, 4 phases of criminal investigation. Number 4, pieces of evidence. So in the court, so presented evidence. So presented exhibit A, exhibit B, example. So presented with markings. So presented evidence. There are many evidence. So physical evidence, murder weapon, clothes of the suspect, shoes, footprint, uh, anything that links to suspect, cigarette butt, uh, the DNA, the blood, anything that links to suspect to the victim. Pieces of evidence. So what are the 4 phases of criminal investigation? Number 1, identification of criminal. Number 2, the criminal is traced and located and arrested. Arrested by police officer with reasonable doubt. So, and have a Miranda doctrine to exercise his right, his or her right. So, pieces of evidence presented in the court of law. So, there are 4 phases of criminal investigation.